Hi there, are you using a Xiaomi device? And is your Xiaomi device's Wi-Fi keep disconnecting or keep dropping connection? Or if your device keeps showing connected to the device, can't provide internet? Don't worry, just watch this video to learn simple tricks to solve Wi-Fi issues on your Xiaomi device. To solve the problem, first, open Setting, scroll down to Wi-Fi, tap on there, tap on this arrow icon, scroll down, tap IP setting, choose Static, scroll a little down. First, remove the previous DNS and type 8.8.8.8. Now, remove the second DNS and type 8.8.4.4. Now, save your network. Now go back here. Enable airplane mode. Now restart your device. Now turn off the airplane mode. Now check after doing this simple process, your Wi-Fi issues will be resolved. Now if you still have a question about Wi-Fi, drop it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.